Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve a couple of anti-slides puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Russian puzzle designer Vladimir Krasnoukhov. Difficulty level of the puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective is quite interesting here, since this puzzle has two big objectives, and the third one is kind of a bonus one where you have to fit all the parts back inside the frame. So the first objective will be to remove the parts from the frame and fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts that has red color, but the color of the pieces may be different. You have to fit these parts inside the frame in such a way that none of them will move. As you can see now, I can move each and every piece, but you have to find such a position of each piece that you can't move even a single one. And the second objective will be to remove those parts and put these 4 pieces and again reorganize them in such a way that you can't move any of the parts. And the bonus objective is to fit all parts inside the frame. If you like a couple of anti-slides puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So the first one will be to put the red parts inside and put them in such a way that you can't move even a single piece. And as you can see, I already put 4 pieces, and now I still can move each and every piece, but as soon as I fit the last one, now you can't actually move. There is a slight movement, but you can't move them to another position inside the frame. So that is the solution of the first one. Now you have to remove them and put the other 4 pieces inside in such a way that you can't move them as well. Let's see what we can do. And that already looks like a solution, since I can't move even a single piece. As you can see, I can move them a little bit, but I can't switch the places of the parts. And that is the solution, the second solution of the puzzle. And the third one is to fit all pieces inside. So I'll start with the yellow parts. You put them inside like this, and then you add the red pieces around. It's not going to be difficult to find the correct places for each and every piece. And that is how the bonus solution looks. If you like a couple of anti-slides puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.